Hello, and thank you for joining us for a lesson on the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is like two number lines that meet each other at 90 degrees. Let's look at them. Look at a number line. It always has ordered pairs. It has an x and a y, a number from the first number line and the second number line, 2 and 3. That's an example of a number on the number line. Let's see. It always has a y-axis and an x-axis, the two number lines we're talking about. The first number is the x, the second number is the y. Let's see, 2 and 3, so always start in 0, so it goes across 2 and up 3, so that's 2, 3. The coordinate plane also has what's called quadrants. You can see that there's 4 quadrants on this. There's quadrant 1, which is the top right hand corner. Quadrant 2, top left. Quadrant 3, bottom left. Quadrant 4, bottom right. Great. Well, let's look at how to find an ordered pair on a number line. So let's look at an A. Let's see, A is 1 over, and I was always talking about an x and a y, so the first number is an x. So it goes 1, see, that's the origin, of course. 1 over, so that's 1, and it goes up 2, so that's 1, 2. And B, let's look at B. B is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, so the x is 5, and it goes down 1, so that's negative 1. Great, let's look at C. C goes back 4, and it doesn't move anywhere in the y, so it's 0. D, let's see, it goes back 1, negative 1, and it goes up 3. Great. So let's look at putting numbers on the number line. Now we're always going to put an x and a y. So let's look at the first one. 4, negative 2. So that's going to always start at the origin. In the middle it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes down, because it's negative 2. From here it's going to go down 2. Negative 2. So that's 4, negative 2. Right there. See, negative 3, negative 1. So that means it goes back 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 1. That's it right there. Negative 3, negative 1. Great. 0, 3. That means it goes back nowhere and goes up 3. So it's on the y-axis. 0, 3. 0, 0 is a special number in the middle. It's called the origin. That's where we always start. 2, 2. Let's see, it goes over 2 and up 2. So that's 2, 2. Great. Now we're going to identify quadrants. Let's see, negative 2, negative 5. Well, let's first write what quadrants we have. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Notice it in our top right hand corner too. So let's see, negative 2, negative 5. So we have to kind of graph it to see where it would be on the number line. So that's going to be quadrant 3. See, we're not really graphing it, we're just kind of graphing it in our mind, so that would be back and up. So that's quadrant 1. See, 1, 2 would be over 1, up 2, so that's also quadrant 1. Negative 2, 3 would be back 2 and up 3, so that's quadrant 2. 5, negative 3, so that would be quadrant 4. Great. Thank you for joining us for a lesson on the coordinate plane. Now go get your homework done.